Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Stuti coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, May 10th, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 58 degrees with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the White Sox lost last night against the Indians with a score of 5-0. The Cubs won last night against the Marlins with a score of 4-1. Today's announcements are: we hope you remembered today's zero-waste lunch. Room 201 is creating care packages for the military. Please consider donating items from the wish list found in our website or social media. We would also like to include handwritten letters. Please return all items by May 24th into room 201. Tonight is the 6th grade dinner from 6 to 9 p.m. in the gym. Now a message from Miss Rosenblum.
Good morning. Happy Friday, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. Mrs. Buchanan and I are happy to be coming to you live to talk about our celebrations. We have many wonderful Smenzel winners to acknowledge today, and we'll start with some special acknowledgments.
All right, Daniel, I'm so impressed with your hard work and literacy acceleration recently. I'm so glad you are interested and motivated in our topic. Keep it up, Mrs. Franz. Emma, thank you for being a leader during literacy acceleration when the class was working independently. You are a great role model, Mrs. Franz. Kyle, you have really shined this week in lessons during our extra rehearsal. You are a great leader and a role model for other students, Miss Young. Zach, wow, you have been working so hard in reading this year. I am so proud of you. You are a wonderful reader, Mrs. Coverman.
Congratulations. Our other Smenzel winners are Nora from 106, Denise and Natalia from 115, Kyle from 205, Mrs. Clark, Zach from 114, Mrs. Jacoby, Mrs. DeLay, Mrs. Chittenden, Mrs. Wiskerson, Mrs. Kippenhan, Giovanni from 116, Michelle and Chloe from 116, Krisha from 201, Mr. Shop, Mrs. Franz, Daniel from 118, Emma from 205, Arathi from 204, Zareen from 201, Umama and Alex from 113, Jamil from 102, Jawad and Lydia from 109, Mrs. Gebbia, Nived from 108, Chris, Alora, Miguel, and Ariana from 106, Adriana and Janie from 107, and from last week, Daniel from room 209. Congratulations to all of our Smenzels winners. All right, it is Teacher Appreciation Week, and I would like to honor all of our staff. Boys and girls, when I think about those tactics and I think about gratitude, that is definitely one of the things that I am most grateful for is our incredibly talented and hardworking staff. I see how much they care about you and your success, and that they really are determined to do whatever it takes to help each and every one of you succeed. And it just makes me happy because I know that by working together, I truly appreciate shining brighter together. Because our staff really does want what's best for everyone, and they're willing to work very hard to make that happen. So a huge thank you, boys and girls. Can you join me in giving a great big round of applause to all of our staff members? All right, and our PTA also wants to acknowledge and thank them. So Mrs. Buchanan, can you draw 2 of these for us? So our 2 winners for today are
Okay.
Mrs. Migoot and Miss Meza. Please come to the office after announcements to claim your prizes. All right, it's Friday, which means it's school spirit and the school song. Come on in. Students, come right in front of us. Right. There you go.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray, hooray!
All right, Hoover, together we shine brighter.
Thank you, Miss Rosenblum. Monday, our alphabet countdown is I for Island Day. Wear your favorite island gear. This week's announcements were brought to you by the Crazy Candies. Have a Find Creativity Every Day Friday.